Hey guys, this is Coach Kim. I hope you're having an awesome day. I have a special guest on camera today that I want to introduce you to, and his name is Bentley. This is Bentley. He is my chocolate lab. He's very smart, and he's very faithful and very loyal. I love my Bentley. Give me a kiss. Kisses. Yes, he's such a lover, and he wants to shake my hand, and I want to introduce you today to him. I'm laughing because he is halfway in my lap. He's about 70 pounds and he thinks he's a lap dog, but I do digress. I want to share with you today a question. My question to you is, would you brush your teeth with your shampoo? That's something to think about. Would you? Now, of course you wouldn't, because it has chemicals. Most shampoos have chemicals in them, and they would be harmful going into your mouth and into your glands, and even possibly swallowing. It certainly would not be helpful for you. I tell you that I do indeed brush my teeth with my shampoo, and I also use my shampoo to dry shampoo my dog, and that's why I have Bentley here today. So the shampoo that I'm talking about is actually a cleanser. It's a body cleanser, a hair cleanser, a teeth cleanser, and also it cleans everything in your house. Anything from stoves and mirrors and floors to walls and grills and ovens and bathtubs and everything in between, even laundry as well. So I want to show you what it looks like. It's called Nviro soap. It comes in a 2-pack set, if you will. Here's the other side. Nviro, like I said, one is for the all-purpose home cleaner, and the second one, we call this a shower and shave gel. This is put out by a company called FreeMart. It is a phenomenal new Buyers Club company that focuses on providing chemical-free and cancer-free soap products to the marketplace. So what we do, I'm laughing because Bentley is continually licking me. He's so happy to be on camera. Say hello again. Hello. He loves FreeMart. He loves Nviro soap also. So what we do is we take about 2 teaspoonfuls of this and we put it into a spray bottle, and then we put the remainder, we fill the remainder of the bottle with water and just shake it up. And then between grooming visits to the at the dog store, I actually spritz this on Bentley, and he's laughing now. I spritz this on him, and you can use like a fine weave microfiber cloth or even a paper towel for certain spots on the body, but we use this to wash him down. And I'm going to tell you why this is such a great product, because it is chemical free, so it's safe for him. So even with him licking certain areas, maybe to dry himself, I know it's not going to harm him. And also the part I love about it is that it is odor collecting. It takes all the stinky dog smell away, and it just absorbs that right out of his body, and I know he's clean and safe. And I will tell you that our Nviro soap is actually coconut based, so it also does things like, it has an antibacterial focus, and it's very functional and actually very nourishing to the skin. So Bentley loves it, I love it, and we use it throughout our family because we don't even want to be inhaling toxic fumes throughout our home. We don't want, as we clean, we don't want toxins to be going into our skin and into our blood system to cause damage down the line. So we believe in living a proactive lifestyle, a chemical-free lifestyle, and that goes all the way to our pets because we love them too. So if you've got a canine that you love and you want to shower with a cancer-free soap and clean them and get beyond the perky smells, the flowery smells, because a lot of times smells cover up chemicals basically. So our Nviro soap doesn't have an odor actually, but it does a great job in getting rid of odors. So join me in using Nviro soap so you too can have it for your hair, for your pets, for your home, for your teeth, for your smile, and you too can have a great chemical-free life. Check out my link below and you can find out how you can even get your soap for free. Say bye, Bentley. Have a great day. This is Coach Kim. Bye for now.